Hello all, my name is Sam Booth and I'm currently a third year medical student pursuing my MPH. I'm here today to talk to you all briefly about the risks, associations, and a few possible interventions surrounding cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease has been on the rise for the last few decades within America. There are a number of reasons for this rise, one of which revolves around the diet and its nutritional composition. These less nutritious diets often propagate obesity, which predisposes individuals to conditions such as metabolic syndrome, diabetes, high blood pressure, and many others. Some of the origins for these less healthy diets are rooted in our society and our behavior. As public health officials, it is important that we analyze this from a wide variety of perspectives. Today, I'd like to impress upon you all the importance of the social cognitive theory, and in particular, its behavioral component. The question we must ask is that if we want to enact changes in our behavior, such as modifying food choices or lifestyle habits, what is the best mechanism for this? I propose this be utilized to the education of our communities and its inhabitants. Through my experience in the healthcare system thus far, I've been witness firsthand to the importance of educating individuals on macronutrients and caloric needs. A large majority of our population don't have the appropriate knowledge basis to execute efficacious changes to their diets and lifestyles. As the world continues to expand technologically, so can the nutritional industry. Today, there are a wide range of mobile apps to help track various macronutrients and help recommend the caloric needs based off of the individual's body composition. Additionally, communities should provide educational opportunities in the form of various programs, classes, pamphlets, and social events. When we empower individuals with education, we invest them the ability to take charge of their life through various behavioral modifications that can last decades to come. Thank you for your time.